Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how we can go ahead and grant permissions to groups on our SharePoint site. So let's just imagine in our scenario here, we have a group that we created and we didn't add any permissions to that group. So now what we need to do is we have to come over to the advanced permissions to get to all of our permissions for our site. And now what we could do is we can come over to grant permissions and we can go ahead and type in the name of our group. So it's new group is the one that we created earlier. And now we want to go ahead and give them back the contribute. We can add an email if we want to, just to let them know that they've been granted the additional roles. But in our case, we don't want to send the email. We just want to go ahead and select the permission level. So let's come over to contribute and hit share. And you notice right now too, this group is not showing up on here because it doesn't have any permissions on our site, or at least at the site level, it doesn't have any permissions. Doesn't mean it doesn't have permissions at like a file level or a page level. So this will grant the permissions at a site level. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add contribute and then hit share. And now once we reload the page, we see new group has been given the contribute permission.